subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. A few months back, a mouse with Mi Portable Wireless Mouse 2 Monarchy got Bluetooth SIG certification. Today, Xiaomi has finally crowdfunded the successor of the Mi Portable Mouse today in China. The new Mi Portable Mouse 2 has features like dual mode connection, low energy Bluetooth, and more. From the looks, the Mi Portable Mouse 2 looks like a successor to the Mi Portable Wireless Mouse that launched in India this year. However, unlike the latter, it has a darker silver version and a black color variant. Also, at the back, it has a DPI switch which according to the company is 4-way adjustable. At the front, we see a similar circular layout for the mouse click buttons. However, there is an additional button that is for the dual mode switch. Speaking of which, the mouse supports dual mode connection. Users can connect through a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and via the Bluetooth 4.2. This Bluetooth connectivity is provided by a T-Link low energy Bluetooth chip. Once done, you can easily switch between the two screens with the button. That said, the mouse also has the usual left, right click buttons and a two-way scroll wheel. The outer body of the mouse is built using anodized aluminium alloy through a sandblasting process. The buttons and wheel have improved less noisy clicks thanks to the soft rubber material. This portable mouse, aimed at home and office use, runs on 1 AA battery. Xiaomi says the battery will last up to a year, which is similar to the predecessor. And, it also has a low battery reminder so you can be aware when the battery is going to die. The crowdfunding price of the Mi Portable Mouse 2 is $79 $12 and shipment starts from January 13th. But if we look at the official website, it says the otherwise retail price is $99 $15. So friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.